Oh my God, look.
What?
Look in the crowd. Look.
Where?
It's Tom and Ann.
Get it. I don't see
Quick,
him.
hit the record button.
Which? The gray one? The black one?
Hurry,
Which
hurry,
one?
hurry. Record, just to record.
I don't know.
Oh, never mind. It's too late.
I turned on the fireplace.
I know. And the ceiling fan. Good job, Mr. Super Geek. Imagine one beautiful, colorful remote control instead of that basket full of mismatched odds and ends that you hide when company comes over. The MX450 from URC delivers power, style, and a large color LCD, all at an affordable price. And it can replace all of your old-fashioned remotes. Add the optional MRF260 base station and control wirelessly through walls, cabinet doors, and floors. That means you can close the doors in your AV cabinet and control everything from across the room, or even outside from across the yard. Plus, you can set up macros, and with one button press, you can turn on the TV, start the DVD player, activate the surround sound, set the right TV inputs, and more. The MX450 is easy to install and configure. You don't need a computer programming background. In fact, there's no PC or internet connection required. Simply follow the directions on the LCD screen on the remote. If you enjoy your home theater system, but sometimes have difficulty making it do exactly what you want it to, the MX450 was made for you.